Hey, which one of you ordered another dirt bike?
Me?
You guys gotta stop doing that. Hey, should we open this baby up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I think it's ooh.
Ooh.
Looks like it's yellow. What?
Oh my God.
So this is the MX650. So we decided to get the 650. Let's get it out of the box and then take a look.
Yeah.
All right. So looks like we just got the wheel, the front fender, a few bolts. Oh yeah, we got to put the handlebars on, and then we should be good to go. So let's see how long it takes us. All right, we got her all together. It's looking good, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just like the other one. Took maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Ended up using my own tools because it was just easier to do. It does come with a sign. You got to charge it at least 12 hours. So it doesn't look like we'll be riding it tonight. But what do you say we ride her in the morning?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we got her all charged up. Are you ready to give her a rip?
Yeah.
All right, let's see, how do you start this thing? It's probably just like your other one. I'll just flip the switch and then hop on. All right, you guys have fun riding this MX650?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is pretty sharp. Yeah, you like the color yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. So my youngest is 5, almost 6. He drives it around real well. And my older one is 8, and he fits on there real well too. I actually have driven around and it can pull me around pretty well. So yeah, it seems pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
And it holds a good charge. They're right, it holds, you know, half hour, 45 minutes. We've been driving around like a week or so and we love it. So how many thumbs up for this guy?
Thanks for watching.